My name is Helen. I was born in 1954 and grew up in the town of Derby. Got married 51 years ago to my husband Paul, and then became an RN in 84. And have worked as an RN from 84 until 2019. And we've lived in Derby all our married life. The first time I really had a problem with my heart was in 2016. We were on a trip and I couldn't walk more than about 10 steps without taking a breather. When I got back from the trip, when I was having so much trouble breathing, I went to the ER. They diagnosed me with heart failure, and come to find out, they felt that my heart issues was due to one of the drugs I had when I had my cancer treatments 14 years before. And finally, one of the cardiologists said to me that if I went on the way it was going, I probably only had 3 to 5 years to live at that point.
When she got diagnosed with heart failure and everything, it was definitely very scary. There's lots of people that don't make it to getting a heart and everything. They end up passing away before they get a heart. So that was definitely like a major worry.
It's hard to believe, I might lose her someday or something like that.
It definitely was devastating. Didn't expect it, completely out of the blue. So it was hard.
When Andy found out that she was having heart failure, you could sort of see his happy go. She's, the matriarch, so the potential loss of her is catastrophic, Just, it was a lot.
I had seen my cardiologist at Dartmouth, and she had told me then that I might never get a heart. And so I kind of said, well, if it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen. And that was in March, and then I got the phone call in May.
We went shopping to get flowers and tomato plants and all that stuff, and looking to see where she is, and I see her over there. She's on the phone, and she's done talking on the phone, so I get close to her, and she says, that was the hospital. They have a heart for me. So I'm like, what? So I'm like all excited, jumping up and down. She's shaking like a leaf, and I said, well, I was ready to leave my flowers there, and let's go.
And my mom calls me, and she's like, your grandmother just got a call that she got a heart.
My granddaughter she was there at the hospital too, in CCU. In fact, she helped me wash up and get dressed for the first week or so after I got home, because she is kind of taking after me. Yeah, she's been right there for me the whole time.
I feel like she was definitely very proud that she got to pass that on to me. My grandmother was definitely like a big part of my life growing up and everything. It was amazing to see her be able to hold my daughter.
Our daughters are adopted. They've experienced a lot of trauma in their past. These are the only grandparents they've really ever known. And having them be stable and healthy in their lives is really important.
It's almost like a dream, things change around so much. Things are looking good and doing better and better every day.
It's unbelievable, and we're thankful to Tufts and everything that they've done for her, and just excited to see what the future could bring. We didn't know how much longer we had with her, but yeah, with a new heart, the sky's the limit.
She's our mom or our grandmother, and we all come together, and it's because of her.